outfits or costumes on Roblox. If you've got some old outfits you want to remove, this video will help you guide through the process. So let's get started. First, unlock your mobile device and open your website and go to Roblox. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Once you've signed into your account, tap on the avatar button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your avatar customization page. In the avatar menu, you'll see different options for customizing your avatar. Look for the outfits tab, which will show all the outfits you've saved. Now browse to your saved outfits and find the one you want to delete. Tap on the outfit to view its details. To delete the outfit, tap on the three dots next to the outfit. This will open a menu with several options. Select delete or remove from the menu. Confirm the deletion if prompted. After selecting delete, you might be asked to confirm your choice. Confirm the deletion to process. Permanently remove the outfit from your save list. And that's it. You now know how to delete outfits or costumes on Roblox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.